20 question, we are given x equals to y, that is BP is a bisector, and now we are supposed to prove that A and B are also equal angles. For cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, this is equal to this. This and this equal to 180 degrees. The sum of these two angles, angle D, angle B. But again, this angle and this angle cumulatively is 180 because these two form linear pair, and that has been written here. These two angles opposite and these two angles linear pair. Now you see, if we try to add the LHS and the RHS, we have as you can see, these two are by Euclid's axiom 1, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, no addition here. Therefore we have these two as an equation, they form an equation, and once they are established, if this positive goes this way, it becomes negative and both get nullified, and therefore we have CDA equals CBQ, and CDA is nothing but A plus B, and CBQ is nothing but X plus Y. And we know that for a cyclic quadrilateral, the external angle is equal to the opposite interior angle, and you can see that in this ABPD cyclic quadrilateral, this angle A is equal to the external angle X. Therefore angle ADP is equal to angle PBQ, this being the external angle, and therefore A equals to X. In the problem itself, it has been given that X is equal to Y. Now as you can see, things which are equal to the same thing, again Euclid axiom 1 is in operation. We have things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, therefore A equals to Y. And now we also know just how it is now established that A plus B equals to X plus Y, and since A equals to X, if I replace this value with X, we have X plus, once replaced, if this goes this way, the positive becomes negative and this gets cut, and therefore B equals to Y, and therefore here we have obtained that A equals to Y, and since both are equal to the same thing, again Euclid axiom 1, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, hence we have obtained the final proof.